Jerry Service Center here. So we have some Isuzu parts selling, about 5 Isuzu scrapping. We now sell this rolling shell. Where from? Barakpo. So this going Barakpo. How the service was good? Nice. You happy?
Thank you very much, sir.
Yeah, good. So a complete rolling shell Isuzu 4JJ1 going down Barakpo. We have the engine for sale, complete engine starter, alternator. We have the transmission, torque converter. So we now remove that. We're selling out everything cheap fit. So anything you want for the Isuzu D-Max 4JJ1 engine, right now that's scrapping. We can unscrap that. So give us a call, Jerry Service Center. We have for the older model too, which is the 4JA1. And we have for the newer model, which is the 4JK1. We have all of them in stock scrapping. So call us for any Isuzu parts that you want. We have new and we have used. Chase Village by the Triangle, Jerry Service Center, all pickup parts. Used Hilux, Ranger BT50. Give us a call, 730-9449, 462-3529. Or visit us on Facebook, Jerry Service Center Limited.